teacher, my dear friend, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is 𝗙𝗙cie𝗋𝗶 before you. Thanks for having me as a guest in front of you. I'm really happy to become here in this beautiful evening with you. Actually, I have called to the dais to say something regarding the topic, and the topic is the bar chart. Actually, I have a little knowledge about bar chart. Anyway, I will try my best to say something about the bar chart. The given bar chart provides information about the illiteracy rate according to region and gender in 2000. It is seen from the bar chart, illiteracy rate was almost hardly in the developed countries. The illiteracy rate of male and female was 1% and 2% respectively. After that, almost similar illiteracy rate was observed in Latin America in 2000, where the illiteracy rate was almost 10%, though it was a bit more than the previous. After that, the illiteracy rate was male and female was 10% and 20% respectively in East Asia in 2000, though it was a bit more than two previous countries. After that, the illiteracy rate was 30% and 48% respectively in Sub-Saharan Africa, and almost similar illiteracy rate was observed in Arab states. Finally, the highest illiteracy rate was observed in South Asia, where the illiteracy rate of male and female was 34% and 55% respectively. It is the highest illiteracy rate in the whole world in 2000. And the last three countries, we can see from the map, from the bar chart, the last three countries illiteracy rate was high than the previous. And I think the last three countries government should take steps for decreasing their illiteracy rate, because the real development of a country depends on the development of education. So that's all from my view. Thank you for hearing me. See you again. Allah Hafiz.